8:30 AM. Sir, yung itlog ko, wala pa.
Follow that. Pera nila parang hindi naluluma. Laging bago.
Oo, no? Ano yun? Parang...
texture.
Parang after 1 month siguro, kinukuha nila. Tapos yan, print ka agad dun sa central bank nila.
Ano ba parang si Rizal pa rin siya?
So for today, we're going to River Safari. So we arrived here at River Safari. Time check, it's 10:25.
There's Starbucks wherever we go.
Oh, yeah. It's like Starbucks is everywhere here in Singapore. Hindi ba dito, Cha?
Ano? Scan QR code to print ticket.
Yeah, we're with her daughter and together she's with her mother. They're twinning together. Look at her sister. Cha. Her sister.
Twin sister.
We're gonna see a real panda. First time. Oh, what the frick?
This is so cool.
Lamig.
Because the panda is here.
You're gonna wake up the panda, it's gonna jump. Asan dun? Oh. So this is what the panda eats. I'm not sure but nilapitan kami kanina. And then they told us to keep quiet, not to be noisy. Maybe it's because of the panda. Oh, that's why. The panda is sleeping. Ayan, look at that.
Did you find Akay? Did you find Akay?
Si Akay yun doon. Bro, natawa ako dun sa bata kasi tingin na tingin. Biglang bumulong sa tatay niya, sabi niya, I think the panda's dead. Come here panda. Come here. Biglang tumakbo, galing dyan. Chigig, diba?
Invisible pa naman siya pag naka-SS.
Hindi mo stun, no?
I'm not chubby. I'm just fat.
There are 2 pandas inside here.
Kai Kai and Jai Jai.
Okay.
The one earlier was Kai Kai. Now Jai Jai.
Yeah.
Jai Jai shy.
Yan.
Close na kayo.
Yan si Kai Kai, yan si Jai Jai. We saw Kai Kai kanina, he was sleeping. Jai Jai was kind of shy.
Jai.
Hindi lumabas from his cage. The tour is over na. Oh man. Pansin ko lang rin sa mga sa mga toilet nila, bro. Ang bababa ng urinals nila, ano? Mga urinal. Parang they're not giving you some privacy.
I think the reason for that is they're open-minded. It's like it's free to compare.
Compare notes. Right now, we're gonna teach you some tricks, hacks, and other stuff. Okay? The filming of GoPro using the Osmo. Okay? It's not Osmo, Zion pala. So we call this the Naruto shot. Okay, here we go. Raymond will demonstrate. 1, 2, go! Oh,
Hello, Panda. Of course.
again with the food. Good, you understand the tart it all. So after this is the last part.
You give it, just give it to us.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
one.
we're
That's
no need
one.
to put it in the paper bag. We're saving nature.
Okay. Try mo nga, try mo.
Oh my god. It's true, it's hot.
Okay. Here's another touch.
Oh my.
Another touch. Oh. That's a 4 tart. That's the 5 tart.
What? A tart?
Oh.
Mainit nga.
Thank you for the tarts. Let's go. It's a tarty.
You know, in Singapore, they behead you
Thank you.
for not paying. We're going for a boat ride. Naantay ko lumabas yung alligator. Tsaka yung anaconda. Wala pa rin. Grabe guys, ang saya.
Kaya nga ang dami natin nakita.
Oo. Nakita mo yung alligator tsaka yung anaconda, Sam?
Lumabas pa nga yung jaguar.
Ang ganda sana yung parang biglang may lalamad. Yung ganun siya. Na lang. What the freak? hindi ka natakot. The hell?
Oh, okay. Come on.
What the hell? Oh.
Kuya, huwag ka
We're gonna sing, okay? Let's sing. Gusto ko banana.
Nakita mo yung pangalan nitong kanina? Urine wash. Nakita mo? Pag hinawakan ka yan, amoy ihi ka. To eat you. Hanip po. Oh. Shit. Nadali ang Ocean Park, sir. Kakaiba to. Hanep, mami, no? Di ko akalain merong ganito. Oh. Meron pa doon, no? What? Okay guys, hindi ko ini-expect ito. I expected na parang patapos na, pero ito pala, ang laki. Try mo hawakan. Sige, wala oh. Ang ganda dito guys. It's so majestic. It's like not every day you see this. Wow. Ting ibabaw niyo. We're here at Chinatown. We're gonna have our lunch. Grabe Sam, buti na lang doon tayo umupo sa likod. At nakaidlip ako si...
Uhiga nga din sana ako eh, kaso kwento siya ng kwento. Simula doon hanggang pagdating narinig ko, nag-uusap
Oo nga eh.
Sabi ko, hindi siya naubusan ng kwento.
While Carlos, Raymond, and Chasam is still eating, they're looking for a money changer. Buy some Singaporean dollars. Medyo paubos din ang supply. Nako, nakakita ng egg tart. Dessert daw. So, tapos na kami kumain ng lunch. So, sa sobrang gutom, hindi ko na na-video ang food. Pero masarap, poker siya. First Michelin star daw eh. Yung in-order namin was the roasted chicken, tsaka yung roasted pork, chum something. Roasted pork something. Parang sarado dito. Ikot na lang tayo. Oh my god. This ice cream sandwich is good.
Talaga tayo mismo bumili. It's the same, exact same spot.
Oh. Cool.
Ano dito tol? Ano sila? Upgraded na kamotor.
Ha? Just arrived here at Bugis Junction. Actually, dapat Bugis Street kami pero dito kami ginaba ng ng Grab. So, we're walking towards Bugis Street. So, nakabili kami dito ng 39 pesos for 1 Singaporean dollar. So, pwede na rin. Hanggang bukas. Kasi kanina, that was like 41 pesos for 1 Singapore dollar. Parang mahal. Yun na lang meron dito. So, I think we'll be buying our mga pasalubong kung meron man. Or kakain na lang kami. So, nakita natin yung $1 store. Ito ba? Ayan nyo, $1 na. Sige tol, punuin mo na yan. Bakit $1? Hindi ba may tax pa yan? Wala na. $1 lang. What the hell? So, I think ito yung pinaka good buy na nagkuha namin kasi like this one, we bought this one for
713.
That's like 18 Hong Kong that 18 Singapore dollars, and this one is 22.
Anong kulay tol? Ayun o.
So
Purple na lang.
wow, sir, saan kayo galing? So from Bugis, we're here at Satay by the Bay for our dinner. Smells good. Here at Marina Bay Sands, mag-check-in kami. Hindi rin, kailangan rin iiwan yung luggage doon eh.
Kami na sir, ikaw, where is you?
Sorry, mali pala yung pinilahan ko kanina. Dito pala sa basement yun. Papuntang Skydeck. I was at the ground floor. And I thought that was the line. Hindi pala. Ito pala yung line.
Do not copy him in travels. Always follow someone who is experienced.
Hello, nakita ko yun sa vlog. Isa sa mga vlog. Parang doon ang pila. Mali rin
Iba
pala.
naman yun.
Okay, fine. Kumusta bro? Ano masasabi mo? We're at the observation deck on the 57th floor of Marina Bay Sands.
Breathtaking.
Yes. Magical. When in Singapore. Whew. Parang sarap ng ng Bacardi. This is the view. We're looking view of from the other side, so I can